Welcome to the BeaverCraft channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of sharpening a gouge using a strop, a simple yet effective method to maintain your carving tools. Before we begin, make sure you have a clean, well-maintained gouge. It's essential to work with a tool that's free from rust or debris. Inspect the cutting edge. If it's dull or has nicks, it's time for a sharpening. To sharpen our gouge, we'll be using a leather strop and a polishing compound. Apply a small amount of compound to the strop. The compound enhances the stropping process, giving your gouge a fine edge. Hold the gouge firmly, but not too tight. The goal is to maintain control while allowing the edge to make contact with the strop. Lay the gouge's bevel flat against the strop and gently glide it along the leather surface. Maintain a consistent angle throughout the stropping process. Alternate sides for even sharpening. After several passes on each side, check the cutting edge under a good light source. You should see a polished, uniform edge. If there are any remaining dull spots or nicks, continue stropping. Once you're satisfied with the sharpness, wipe off any compound residue from the gouge. Your gouge is now sharpened and ready for precise wood carving. Congratulations! You've successfully sharpened your gouge using a strop. Regular maintenance like this will keep your carving tools in top shape. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and techniques.